Are you one of the millions of people that suffer from chronic colds, the flu, allergies and other common infections leading to poor health? If so, what I am about to tell you will change the way you look at your body and your health forever. For years doctors prescribed antibiotics for everything from the common cold to headaches. Here's a fact. Antibiotics do not work on viruses. They will not clear up your cold. Unless you have a bacterial infection, antibiotics are worthless. And the more you take, the less likely they are to work on future infections. We live in an age where hard-to-cure infections are common. People are dying from diseases like staph that used to be easily treated with ordinary antibiotics. What can you do about it? Learn everything in this video to know about boosting your immune system. When you work to prevent illness and boost your immune system, you have a much better chance of fighting off infection, even if you do develop a severe infection that is hard to treat. But to fight infection, you must first understand how to boost your immune system. I will show you the exact steps you can take to improve your body's immune response in a matter of days, using ingredients you probably have in your kitchen cupboard. Using vitamins is one way to keep your immune system working properly. You will want to check out the different types that are on the market today and what is going to work better for you. Antioxidants like vitamin C and E are going to offer great protection. Vitamin A will also strengthen mucous membranes to keep off the invaders and enhance total resistance in the body. Keeping your body in good shape is also a good way to boost up your immune system. You will find that when you are exercising and staying active, you are going to feel better inside and out. Doing a little bit is going to go a long way and make you feel your best because you are keeping active and keeping your blood pumping. Try to avoid UV rays as much as possible. You do not want to meet too much radiation to the immune system. Minimizing damage will keep the body feeling its best and keeping up the immune system so that you are not allowing bad toxins into the body. You will also find that the UV rays are going to speed up the aging process, and this is something that most people do not want to occur. Try to cut back on the junk food that you eat. The more of this that you let into your body will mean that the less effective your body will be. You want to keep yourself on a good diet that is full of fruits and vegetables so that you can build up a good immune system. You also want to have proteins and carbohydrates added to your diet as well. This will help to keep your body filled with energy to maintain a healthier lifestyle. Do not put yourself in any situation that you may let your immune system be attacked. If you are around someone that is sick, you need to keep your distance. Make sure that you are always washing your hands and using antibacterial soap to kill any germs. Washing your hands often is very wise. You will want to use hot water with antibacterial soap. This is especially true after handling fresh produce, raw meat, and poultry. You should wash your hands after using the bathroom and touching pets. When you are at home, you will want to refrigerate foods and keep them cold. Put all foods away in their place as soon as you are home. You should first think about what you eat. You need to think about eating healthier so that you are not making it easier for your immune system to fail. Eating lots of fruits and vegetables will be a great way to make sure you are doing all that you can to boost up your immune system. Eating 9 or 10 servings of fruits and vegetables a day is a great idea. Fresh produce should be put in the cold within 2 hours of peeling or chopping. You should always throw the excess that is left over away. Be sure that you are washing all of your fresh fruits and vegetables with cool tap water before you eat them. Do not use any type of soap or chemical on them. Scrub all firm produce like melons and cucumbers with a produce brush. You need to cut away all bruised or damaged areas before you eat. Drink lots of water. This is going to help your immune system as well. You should be drinking about 8 glasses of water a day to make sure that you are keeping your body hydrated and feeling great. You should make sure that you are doing all that you can to make sure you are healthy and that you have no problems with your immune system. Follow these tips and see how your immune system will boost your healthy life.